Brought to you by JEGS.
Hi, I'm Mike Norsha from Ram Clutches, and today I want to tell you about a great new product. It's this Ram Billet Steel alignment tool. Now, if you've ever done a clutch install, I'm sure you're familiar with these. It's the plastic alignment tool. You know that these are really less than accurate. They don't fit the splines at the disc real tight, and they don't tend to fit the pilot bearing real well either. And consequently, when you're doing that install, you end up having to jiggle a tool around to get everything lined up and really make it work right. And with the Billet Steel tool, you're going to get a much tighter spline. It's going to fit the disc properly. It's going to fit the pilot bearing properly. And the real bonus of this shaft is the design being smooth through the back here and completely able to fit through the disc. So you're able to put this right into the back of the motor and then progressively load all the parts on. Now that's really good if you're doing a dual disc install. It's really important when putting a dual disc in that you have those discs all lined up perfectly. It's going to make the transmission go in a whole lot easier, and it's just going to make your install much smoother. Now, to show you how easy this is, we'll do a little test install here. We happen to have our C7 Corvette on the lift, and I have a prototype triple disc street clutch bolted up to it. So let's load the clutch pack in here. You'll see first we can just slide through the first disc, slide it onto the pilot bearing, and then we're just going to progressively load these pieces into the pack. And you see how having that shaft be straight and smooth just lets us work each piece over the end and not have to worry about juggling all the parts to make it all go together and be in the proper position. Is a billet alignment tool a little bit more money? Sure it is, but keep in mind you're going to put this thing in your toolbox and you're going to have it for years to come, and pretty much any clutch install you have to do, you're going to be able to use it. And we all love tools anyway.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.